Let me take you back to a moment that changed everything. Imagine sitting at your desk late at night, exhausted, staring at your laptop thinking, there has to be a better way than this. Then someone shows you a tool, a free tool, one that can write, think, create, and execute faster than any human being on the planet. That tool is ChatGPT. And in 2026, people all over the world are using it to make real money online from complete scratch with nothing but a laptop and an internet connection. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step. No fluff, no hype, just what actually works. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you are going to see ChatGPT completely differently. Welcome back to AI Wealth Odyssey, the channel where we turn artificial intelligence into real income, one idea at a time. If you are new here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications right now because we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And every video on this channel has the potential to change your financial situation. All right, let us get into it. Before we get into the methods, I want you to understand something important. ChatGPT is not just a chatbot. In 2026, it's one of the most powerful income-generating tools that has ever existed, and most people are still using it just to answer random questions. It can write, it can research, it can code, it can plan, it can create entire business strategies in minutes. And wherever there's a skill that businesses need and are willing to pay for, ChatGPT can help you deliver that skill faster and better than almost anyone else. That is your opportunity, and these are the ways to use it. Method number 1, a ChatGPT-powered freelance writing service. A small business owner in 2026 needs blog posts, email campaigns, product descriptions, and social media captions every week. They don't have time to write it themselves. They just need someone reliable who can deliver quality content consistently. That person is you. You use ChatGPT to research, outline, and draft the content. You edit it, add your personal touch, and deliver it to the client. The key is specialization. Pick one niche, real estate, fitness, finance, or technology, and become the go-to writer for that specific space. To get started, create a simple portfolio of 3 to 5 sample pieces using ChatGPT. Sign up on Fiverr or Contra and start pitching. This is the fastest way to get your first payment using ChatGPT. Method number 2, publishing ebooks using ChatGPT. It's a Saturday morning. You wake up with an idea for an ebook. By Sunday evening, that ebook is written, edited, covered, and ready to publish on Amazon KDP, all with the help of ChatGPT. That's exactly what is possible in 2026. You identify a topic people are actively searching for. You ask ChatGPT to create a chapter-by-chapter outline. You build out the content, edit for quality, and design a cover in Canva. You upload to Amazon KDP for free and earn up to 70% royalties on every sale. The real power is building a catalog. Every ebook you publish is another stream of royalty income flowing in every single month. To get started, pick your first topic this week and commit to publishing within 14 days. Method number 3, social media management powered by ChatGPT. A business owner knows they need to be active on social media, but they simply don't have the time or creativity to keep up. That's an open door for you. With ChatGPT, you can manage the social media presence of multiple clients simultaneously, generating captions, content ideas, hashtag strategies, and post schedules in a fraction of the time it used to take. The beauty of this model is recurring income. You get paid every single month as long as you retain the client. To get started, find businesses with weak social media presence. Reach out with a free 1-week trial, deliver great results using ChatGPT, then convert them into paying monthly clients. Method number 4, creating YouTube script writing services using ChatGPT. Thousands of new YouTube creators are launching every single week, and one of their biggest pain points is, what do I say in my videos? You use ChatGPT to write engaging, retention-optimized scripts for creators in specific niches: finance, fitness, business, technology. To get started, write 3 sample scripts in different niches to build your portfolio. List your service on Fiverr and reach out directly to small creators who are struggling with their content. Method number 5, creating and selling digital products with ChatGPT. Imagine spending one afternoon creating a set of done-for-you email templates for small business owners using ChatGPT. You package them, list them on Gumroad or Etsy, and they sell again and again without you doing anything else. Email template packs, business plan frameworks, social media content calendars, resume templates, study guides. Each product takes a few hours to create, but can generate income for months and years. To get started, identify a specific problem, use ChatGPT to build a solution, and list it on Gumroad or Etsy this week. Method number 6, using ChatGPT to power affiliate marketing. You create content, blog posts, YouTube videos, newsletters, recommending products your audience genuinely needs. Every time someone clicks your link and buys, you earn a commission, automatically. ChatGPT lets you produce more content in less time, covering more topics, ranking for more search terms, and attracting more traffic, all of which means more clicks and more commissions. To get started, choose a niche, sign up for 2 or 3 affiliate programs, and use ChatGPT to create your first 5 pieces of content this week. All right, let's bring it all together. 6 ways to make money with ChatGPT in 2026. Number 1, freelance writing. Number 2, eBook publishing. Number 3, social media management. Number 4, YouTube script writing service. Number 5, digital product creation. And number 6, affiliate marketing content. Every single one is beginner-friendly. Every single one is achievable with nothing but a laptop, an internet connection, and ChatGPT. And every single one can be started this week. Now, here's what I want you to do. Pick the one method that excites you the most and drop it in the comments right now. Tell me which one you're starting with. I read every single comment, and I genuinely want to know your answer. If this video gave you real value today, please smash that like button. It helps more people find this channel, and it means the world to this community. And if you're not yet subscribed to AI Wealth Odyssey, hit that subscribe button right now. We post every week, and every single video is designed to help you build real income using AI in 2026. I'll see you in the next one. Let's build this together. Peace.